Hello viewers, welcome to our channel at Jackie Naturals. Today I'm going to show you the most exciting way to make your hair conditioners at home. Very easy. Now I'm going to show you how to make the flaxseed gel conditioner. This is a very nice hair conditioner. You can see, you can check on our videos how to make the flaxseed gel. And then out of it, you're going to make our conditioner. Very easy, very affordable, and making your hair very silky, very smooth, and it grows the hair very fast. Now, this is 50 ml of flaxseed gel. I'm going to put, you can see the slimy flow. You can see the slimy flow. Just see, very thick. And then I have my melted butters in oil. You can check the way we melted the butters. You can check on our videos that we did. I'm going to put 10 ml. 10 ml. 10 ml. This is my mixed oils. You can use any oil that you have at home. Now I'm going to mix in the oils. You can mix in any oil that you have at home, coconut oil, argan oil, olive oil. You can melt your shea butter and put in your conditioner. Very nice. If you have vitamin E, very nice for your hair. Now, to make our conditioner to have that silky touch, and then I'm going to mix in. You know, water cannot mix in water. Flax gel is water based, but as you apply, you just do like this and apply on your scalp and then on your hair. As you massage it, it's going to mix in. The reason for putting in the oil is to make sure that you get a very shiny, silky flow, silky touch of your hair, the silky look, and also to avoid the dry scalp. And enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like our videos, to put on notifications for more videos. Don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you so much. Enjoy.